Hi, I'm Linda Mendoza and I'm 21 years old. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and I currently live in Modesto, California. I've been a licensed cosmetologist for maybe about 4 years. I graduated from NCIC Beauty School in San Leandro, California. I graduated from high school when I was 15 and a half from Castillo Christian in Modesto, and I wanted a really small career, something that would give me money, enough money to pay for college in the long run. So I took beauty school. I've been having a blast doing hair, and it's really big passion of mine. I love enhancing people's beauty, and I do everything and anything that has to do with beauty. I do highlights, lowlights, I do haircuts, manicures, pedicures, I can do extensions, I can give you a bob, I can give you practically anything. When I had a beauty salon, it was an amazing experience. I learned how to guide people, I learned how to be an open-minded, I learned responsibility. The shop's name was Fantasies Hair Salon, and we came up with that. Me at only 17 years old, it was extremely a big part of my life. I have met many people throughout this last 3 years since I've had the salon. Half of our town in Oakland knows me, and they know me as a really big beauty icon, you can call me. I'm always ready. My hair and my makeup is always ready, and I love to have fun, and I love to see and hear what people have to say. I love to see new ideas. I am really looking forward into one day succeeding and having my own beauty show where I can give back to my audience and tell them, hey, you on number 53. You just won yourself a whole day at my mansion, and I'm gonna fix you up from head all the way to your toes. And it's really what I really dream for, and I hope that one day it will happen. I think I have charisma, and I think that I have talent. I'm an extremely fast learner, and I'm really dedicated. I'm really dedicated when it comes to something that I love, and I love beauty. So I hope that you can pick me and get to know a little bit more about me. My phone number is 510-927-6588, and again, I'm Linda Mendoza. Thank you.